Hi Shiva.
Hi, sir.
So what's your demo today?
So today the demo is about S3 cross-region replication between two regions or in two accounts also.
Okay. Two accounts or two user IDs within root account.
Yeah, within a root account we are following with two user IDs.
Okay. So it means one user should be there in Mumbai, another user should be there in Virginia from the root account, from the corporate account
Yeah,
basically. Okay,
yes, yes.
okay. Right. We go ahead. I'll put on mute.
Okay, so this is a demo about S3 CRR replication. So the business requirement like this. A business user from Mumbai wants to share some files to his group in North Virginia region on basis of this S3 replication by using the CRR process. So how this happens, the replication of objects from the different regions by using this CRR process. So let us know about the S3 CRR introduction. So basically the cross-region replication allows you to replicate the copy or your data or whatever your files which are presented inside the bucket. So you can easily replicate in two different regions by using this CRR. So the CRR can help you to reduce latency. So the latency means sometimes the users and the end users the end users are not accessing the application, so that when in that case you can configure this CRR, then the users can easily access the data in the particular different regions where you can replicate the data closer to your regions, and you can also maintain the compliance and the enforce security and implement disaster recovery. So this is also a scenario where you can need to have the data. So in some disaster happens, so you need to have the replication of data is available by using the CRR. And finally you can configure this S3 CRR to copy the objects into one or more buckets in a different availability regions for improved your resilience. So where in this scenario you can also use this CRR cross region replication process. And this is a small diagram, a simple diagram in between the two different regions. This is the source bucket where your actual file objects are available, and this is our destination bucket. You can replicate these objects into this bucket and vice versa. So for this demo, this is the prerequisite to IAM users from the root account ID, which has having this S3 full access and IAM full access. So these are the tasks which I am going to do now. So first of all, I'll create two buckets in two different regions by using the two IAM user IDs. Then after that, I can create the CRR rule, cross region replication rule in source bucket in one of the region. Then I can upload my objects, whatever the version of my objects are which are available in local, into the one source bucket. Then we can verify the files or objects into the destination bucket in the another user ID. So first, this is the task one. Okay, this is about the creation of IAM roles with S3 full access and IAM full access. Okay, so this is the task two. So create two buckets in different regions. So let me go to my AWS console. So let's log in. Okay, let me log in with one user. So this is the user one location, user one Amazon AWS console, and let me open another browser. So here I will log in with okay, this is my another second user in so this is my second user. I am AWS console. So let me go to the first one. So this is the source AWS console. So let me go to this S3 bucket in order to create the buckets. So the first step is you need to create the two buckets in different regions. So the first bucket is in the user one. So let me give the name. .009. Okay. So this is in the Mumbai region. Let me take assume. So Mumbai region. I'll increase this. Okay. This is fine. So and so this is the name of the bucket. You need to choose your region and check the all public access. Yes. So bucket versioning should be enabled in order to replicate your whatever the files or objects into the another region. So let me enable this as SCL and come down. So let me uncheck this. And the bucket versioning should be enabled by using this cross-region replication in order to replicate the objects into the different region. So click on create object. So we created one bucket in the one first user. So this is the source bucket. Similarly, we can create in the second user. This is my second dev user. So let me create one more bucket, destination. So click on create bucket. Destination prod bucket, and this is in the North Virginia region, assume. So click on this region and SCL is enabled. So uncheck this. Similarly, the bucket versioning should be enabled in both the buckets while creating the buckets. So let me just create bucket. So we created two buckets in two different regions. Next step is we need to create one CRR cross-region replication rule in source bucket. In order to connect with the destination bucket, you need to apply this CRR rule. So let me go to our source bucket. So this is my source bucket and the user one. So let me go to this source bucket. So under the management, you can see here. So select your bucket, source bucket, and go to the management tab. You can create here the replication rule. So just go to this management tab, and you can come down. So here the create replication rule is available. So click on this option. So you need to create the rule name. So you need to mention the replication rule name, and the status is enabled. Then select your destination bucket under destination section and choose create IAM rule. Then click on save in order to create this CRR rule in the source bucket. So let me just give this replication rule name. Uh, 01, and the status is enabled. So this is the source bucket where our source bucket is located, this name and the region which are located in this region. And you need to mention the prefix, you can mention, and also tags. And the destination is here. So choose a bucket in this account or specify a bucket in another account, but we are going with this first option. So let's just browse this. I'll just mention versioning property. Okay. So go to our destination bucket. So bucket version is okay, enable. So just go to the source bucket, click on management tab, then create a replication rule. So mention that CRR access 01. Then this is the source bucket, and this is your choose a bucket in this account. So let me just so must be able to read required bucket policy versioning property. Okay. Okay. Just go to this S3 bucket. Yeah. So just give this name CRR. And this is enabled status. So this is the details about the source bucket and the region, and this is about the destination information. So let's just browse this. Okay, so the destination bucket is this one. So let me select this one. Select your path. So this is the region, destination bucket region, US East North Virginia, and select your role. So create new role for this. And this is the replicate objects encrypted with AWS KMS, but it will be charges. So let's just skip that. And these are the additional options. Replication time control. So if you want your objects need to be downloaded within 15 minutes, then you can select this option. And you can replicate your metrics under notification by using this option with the help of CloudWatch. And you want to delete marker replication, then you can select. So I'll just go with by default. Let me save this. So it is asking replicate existing objects. So just choose by default option. So click on submit. So the replication rule will be created. So this is the task 3. So the next step is we are going to upload the objects into the source bucket. So let's just go to the buckets. So this is our source bucket. So let's just click on update, add files. So I'll just okay, let me add these files. Okay, let me take some files which are available. Okay. So add the similar some more files. Okay, so let's just upload these files into the source bucket. So files are uploaded into this bucket. So let's close this. So the next one is you can verify the objects in the destination bucket. So go to this another browser. So just go to this destination bucket. So just refresh. So it will take a few minutes. So this is our source bucket, which files are available. So it will come into this destination bucket. So the files are uploaded into the destination production bucket. See, the files are uploaded just now. So this is so this is our source bucket where our actual files are available, and once we can replicate by using that CRR rule, which will apply on the source bucket. Then after we uploaded the files into the source bucket, that files can uploaded into this destination bucket. Similarly, we can also configure in the different accounts also, but I have only one account, so that's why I have chosen this. So
Steve, I have a question for you.
yes, I can.
Yeah, when you upload the file, like for example, for destination North Virginia, right? And you upload it from Mumbai. Am I correct?
Yeah, yes, exactly.
Yes, as a IM user from Mumbai, you upload the file, and your destination would be the North Virginia. But when you uploading the file for checking destination uploaded, you almost check it and it's uploaded. So you don't need to go as a user the second like in North Virginia to check it. You can check it from Mumbai user, right?
Yeah, yes.
Mhm.
You can also check it from both ways, but where if you have different accounts, right? Suppose here I'm doing in same account ID, root account, but I created different user IDs
Yeah.
from the root account.
Okay.
Suppose if you have different accounts, different AWS accounts, then in that case, you don't have the another bucket in this same region, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, you can get a clarity.
Thank you.
Done?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So done, right? Okay. Now you have given from source to destination. How are you going to do destination to source also?
Okay.
You got what I'm asking question?
Yes, yes.
Hello.
Sir, yeah, sir.
See, user A is there in Mumbai, user B is in Virginia. User A want to share files to B, user B. Now, at the same time, user B also have they have some files that need to be shared to the Mumbai users.
Yes.
Both ways you can do it also in the CRR options.
Yeah, by using
Did
this.
you try that?
Yeah, I
Did you
tried.
try that?
So I need to check
Let us
on that.
say, you are there in Mumbai, I am in Virginia, I assume that, okay. Now, I have some files, I want to share it to you. Yes, I have my own bucket. At the same time, you can create the same bucket there. Those files can be updated myself, and they are going to be replicated in your buckets. What you are doing updates, they are going to be seen by me in my location. So both ways, it can be used it. It can be in the same file also, it can be different files also.
Okay, okay.
Then another thing is, this particular user, B user, should have access to those files to update them also if required. Updating is, let us say, he can add some new versions by having the latest business files. Then that can be uploaded there. Then it will be replicated to user A in Mumbai. That options also available in CRR. You're getting what I am saying?
Yes, yes, yeah.
So you can see later on, but anyhow, this is a very good explanation. But only thing is you don't have another AWS account. You can't show that right now. If somebody has got different accounts, yes, they can try it out. But in free tier account, we had issues 2 years back. They were not working well, these S3 replications. Maybe AWS has given limited permissions for the people who are all using on free tier account. So then we stopped using CRR much. Okay. But since it is your root account, yeah, I told you can show this kind of thing.
Yes.
Right? Okay, I'll stop this one. Recording is there, I think.